Meaning of favela.
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 Favela. Favela is a Portuguese term used primarily in Brazil to describe a slum or shantytown. These informal settlements typically arise when people migrate from rural areas and can't afford housing in urban areas. Favelas often lack basic infrastructure like sanitation systems and paved roads, and residents may face challenges like crime, poverty, and limited access to education and healthcare. Despite these challenges, favelas also have close-knit communities, vibrant cultural traditions, and residents who work hard to improve their own lives and neighborhoods.